From a legal standpoint, when someone is starting a new business, even if it's a, what I do, marketing consulting, solopreneur business, what are the areas of protection from a legal standpoint we should be looking at?
Yeah, so this is a little bit of a simplification. There's a whole bunch of stuff between the lines, but the thing that I always use, some imagery that I think is helpful for this stage of a business, is going to be the three lines of defense. And so when I say this, I mean defending against your personal assets from being liable for the business that you're out there doing. And so those three lines are going to be sort of in chronological order of how they would come up if there were a disagreement or a legal dispute. First is going to be a contract. So having some type of contract or agreement in place with literally anyone that services or money exchanges hands. So your clients, your partners, your vendors, your anybody that's going to happen, have that agreement in place. Clearly lays out expectations. Hopefully dictates how a dispute would go. Obviously, though, contracts, there's such a thing as breach of contract, and so people might ignore the contract, say that you breached the contract. And so if that line of defense is sort of defeated, or they hop over that one, then the second one is going to be insurance. Always good to talk to an insurance broker or agent and just get a general liability policy, or if there are specific policies to your industry or what you're doing, make sure to have that in place. Now, of course, with insurance, their whole shtick is you pay the premiums and then they don't cover you when something happens. So if that line of defense doesn't work for you, then that last and final line of defense is going to be your LLC, your corporation, your benefit corporation, whatever that legal entity is. And so that's kind of the backstop against any liability against you personally. And what I always say is, one is better than none, two is better than none, and obviously three is best. And there are, like I mentioned, small other things that you can do just sort of in between those steps to help protect yourself as well.